Hey guys, this is Riley with BizNaz 101 in today's video. We will show you how to start a blog in your Shopify store and what to blog about. You can also find a link to the full guide below in the description of this video. To get started, we will use an online keyword generator to find a popular topic for our blog. For our example, we are using a jewelry store, so we will search diamond jewelry, then click Find Keywords. You will now be shown a list of results containing popular topics which you can use for your blog post. We will use this one, How to Clean Silver and Diamond Jewelry. Now copy the topic and then return to your Shopify online store. Next, we will select blog posts from the left side dashboard and then click Create Blog Post. Now we will paste our blog topic into the title field at the top. Next, we need to create the blog post content. To get started, you can use an online tool to generate an introduction for your post. Now we will copy and paste this description into our blog and finish creating our post. For the final step, we will add a featured image for our blog post like so. Then preview the post to ensure everything looks the way you want it to. When you are ready, set your blog post to visible and click Save. You have now successfully created a Shopify blog. Don't forget, you can find the full guide below in the description or contact us at BizNaz101 for help with your store. Thank you for subscribing.